Hello everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, we're going to explore the world of cooking and unveil the top 5 essential kitchen tools that every home cook must have. So, without further ado, let's get started. A 5-blade kitchen shear with a safety cover and cleaning comb makes it easy to trim and cut fresh veggies from your home garden, like herbs, basil, or chives, into perfectly minced pieces, inspiring you to create delicious dishes. Both chefs and salad enthusiasts will appreciate these herb scissors because they are quicker, simpler, and safer to use than scrapers or slicers. To clean it, just insert the cleaning comb's tip between the blades, and it will quickly remove any leftover herbs with a few swipes. This kitchen tool is a handy addition for anyone who enjoys cooking with fresh herbs. This ice cream scoop has a special shape that's a perfect mix of a scoop and a spade, making it simple to handle even the toughest frozen desserts. This heavy-duty tool is genuinely strong and sturdy, and it doesn't have any tricky parts that could break. It's also good for other creative kitchen tasks, like scooping out seeds from melons or stuffing peppers. The handle is comfortable to hold, easy to grip, and won't make your hand freeze like scoops with metal handles might. It's a straightforward but ergonomic design that's easy to clean and will earn you a reputation for perfect scooping. This cheese grater is great for shredding cheese, potatoes, carrots, cucumbers, cookies, and much more. Whether you're making a stir-fry or a vegetable medley, you can julienne your vegetables in just seconds. Just put the vegetables you want to cut in the container and turn the handle. It's that simple. It includes 3 different round blades or drums, each designed for a specific use. Installing the food slicer is a simple process. Just put the drum blade into the tumbling box and then fix the handle. You will save considerable time when preparing your meals. This utensils set is filled with 40 different kitchen tools, like spoons, spatulas, tongs, a whisk, grater, can opener, scissors, pizza slicer, and more. It had all the kitchen tools you need, from spoons to a garlic crusher, to help you cook like a chef. Most kitchen tools are made of silicone. It's not only for new homeowners. Anyone who enjoys cooking will appreciate this complete set. Make your daily cooking special with this beautiful knife set. A knife set with a built-in sharpener is a versatile and practical addition to any kitchen. These knives truly are stunning and beautiful. The gold sections of these knives are absolutely gorgeous. This knife set includes a variety of knives to handle different cutting tasks, and they come in a beautiful black knife block. This knife set is made of stainless steel, so it stays sharp and resists rust, making it work really well. One important thing to remember is that you need to wash and dry these by hand after using them. Never use a dishwasher for them. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. We'll see you in the next video.